Some of you in crypto space may know that Launchpool is one of the best earning pool in bear market, with all new tokens launching, and this program is there for you to farm their tokens. Like today, Bitget just announced that they are having Launchpool with PPT project, so let's go to the details. So before we are getting to the project Launchpool itself, do you know what is Bitget Launchpool? Bitget Launchpool is a free platform for users to stake and farm popular or newly listed tokens. Simply stake with BGB or a designated token in the pool for free. This Bitget program gives everyone a chance to earn good while not requiring a big capital aside. Before we are getting into the further detail, reminder that this event will run from October 19th to October 24th, so make sure you mark the calendar and do not miss any part of the fun. Here is a bit of an overview for the current Launchpool itself. PPT token actually represent Pop project. Pop is the ultimate social gateway to Web3. Experience a decentralized app that empowers content creators and consumers to gain value in return for the value they bring to our platform. Own your original content to leverage creator economy and claim social recognition. Activity 1. Join the Launchpool new user promotion and stake BGB to grab a share of 90,000 PPT. Bitget Launchpool new users can stake at least 10 BGB and grab a share of 90,000 PPT. Use the Stake Now button to join. Activity 2. Join the Launchpool normal pool promotion, stake BGB, and invite friends to grab a share of 60,000 PPT. Bitget Launchpool existing users can stake at least 100 BGB in the Launchpool promotion to grab a share of 55,000 PPT. Existing users can also invite friends to grab a share of 5,000 PPT. For each friend you successfully invite to sign up and stake in the beginner pool, you can receive 25 PPT, up to 125 PPT. Supply is limited, so don't miss out. Here is some guide to make yourself earn a chance to participate. Visit Bitget's website and register or log in. After that, look to the top left and deposit by selecting the desired cryptocurrency from the Buy Crypto area. After depositing, you can buy some BGB, Bitget native token, as this will be used for staking. Stake your BGB on PPT Launchpool, which can be found on the Earn section pretty easy. After all these steps, you can enjoy the glorious Launchpool Bitget is having. All I can say, it is a joy to get the tokens. That is all for today. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's conquer the crypto world together. Remember, trade smart, trade strong, and trade safe with Bitget.